both have meetings today. Emily's meeting with a wedding coordinator and I'm meeting with a potential client. But before then, we're gonna go get some exercise and play a little bit of Ultimate and kind of take advantage of one of the few remaining weekends we're going to have available, because after this weekend it's gonna start getting pretty busy with weddings and meetings and just all sorts of stuff. So we figure we may as well take advantage of it now and have a little fun. Better turnout for Ultimate than I was expecting because it rained yesterday, but should be pretty fun. Get some good exercise before I'll be busy for like the next 6 months. So. Turnout, great exercise before we got to go to our meetings and everything, and before busy wedding season starts. I'm on my way to meet a potential client who called me earlier this week. They seemed very interested, and I'm just meeting them at a coffee shop. I usually tend to meet clients at a coffee shop just because it's easier for both of us, and it's just not financially responsible for me to pay for a studio when all I do is wedding photography and engagement photos. So yeah, so basically this coffee shop I go to, it has a small conference room that you can reserve. So I recommend if you want to meet at a coffee shop and stuff, make sure they either have like an outdoor patio where you can meet, or like a little conference room that you can reserve, because it'll make things a lot better and make things run a little bit smoother. I just got out of the meeting, went really well, great couple, and I can't wait to photograph their wedding this summer. Emily's pretty excited right now because we're at her garden and everything is really starting to bloom. I don't know if you could see everything here, but it's looking really nice, and I mean, can't argue with that.
Without you, I don't have anything to live for. Not another day, oh no. Without you, I don't know what I have been missing. Not another day, could I still make it through? Something's been missing since the day you walked away.
We weren't going to come to the garden today because it rains over the weekends, but I think Emily's really happy that we came here because she's getting a lot of flowers and she just seems really happy today, which is awesome.
My heart will never find a feeling. Not another day, oh no. I've got a feeling that I'm hanging by a thread.
So the only problem right now with Emily's garden, it looks great, but we have these little guys that are really annoying. See that hole? Kind of hard to see. But ever since Emily got this garden, I don't know, 2 years ago, something like that, there's gophers everywhere and they're impossible to get rid of. And the garden, the city won't allow us to use like poison pellets or anything. You have to kind of use traps, and they don't work. So trying to figure out a way to get rid of these stupid pests. Emily knows what she's doing. Seriously. She knows what she's doing.